Students, in this video we will deal with some points on conflicts of interest. So conflict of interest is a situation in which a person is in a position to derive personal benefit from actions or decisions made in their official capacity. For example, Watson quits his job after questions about a possible conflict of interest. A conflict of interest involves a person or entity that has two relationships competing with each other for the person's loyalty. For example, the person might have a loyalty to an employer and also loyalty to a family business. Each of these business expects the person to have its best interest first. A conflict of interest occurs when an individual personal interest, family, friendship, financial or social factors could compromise his or her judgment, decisions, or actions in the workplace. A conflict of interest at work arises when a situation that benefits an employee also affects your company. Employees are bound through company's code of conduct to act in the interest of their employer and not for their own personal gain. It is a situation in which a person has a duty to more than one person or organization but cannot do justice to the actual or potentially adverse interest of both parties. Conflict of interest violates the country laws and code of public ethical conduct. Conflict of interest is one key ethical issue in public and private management and has significant association with corruption. It relates to power and official duties, roles and values. Conflicts in decision making process. A conflict of interest arises when what is in a person's best interest is not in the best interest of another person or organization to which that individual owes loyalty. For example, an employee may simultaneously help himself but hurt his employer by taking a bribe to purchase inferior goods for his company's use. Ethical conflicts arise when individuals are confronted with collision between general belief systems about morality, ethics, or justice and their own personal situations. According to Thomas Kilman Conflict Mode Instrument TKI used by human resource HR professionals around the world, there are five major styles of conflict management: collaborating, competing, avoiding, accommodating, and compromising. As soon as you encounter a possible conflict of interest, notify immediately to the authorities. Discuss the internal papers or matters not posted to you. Avoid any informal discussions that might influence fellow members on the matter. Always clearly and openly distance yourself from any decision making is a close personal contact is involved. Talk with the other person, honest discussion, listen carefully, focus on behavior and events, not on personalities. Prioritize the areas of conflicts, develop a plan to work with each conflict, follow through your plan, and build on your success. Thank you.